Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope Cancer from June 21 to July 22. Today is Saturday, June 22, 2024. It's all about Major Arcanum, number 6, the Lovers. This would mean that for our horoscope for the day, everyone will be in accord with your plan. And since the Lovers represent camaraderie, this would mean that your plan will push through with the help of your friends. Ang araw pong ito ay horoscope ng mula Cancer, June 21, July 22. Ngayon ay araw ng Sabado, Hunyo 22, 2024. May kinalaman sa Major Tarot card or Arcanum na the Lovers. Ang Lovers ay nagre-represent sa kapitbahay, kaibigan, next of kin o kamag-anak, at nagsasabi rin ito ng mga nostalgia or nostalgic memory. Mga taong hindi mo nakita ng tagal na panahon, ngayon ay makikita mo di, papayag sila at gagawin nila kung ano yung gusto mo para sa'yo. Walang kokontra at magbibigay pa sila ng tamang opinion para sa'yo.